What? Oh, it's intact, isn't it? Paul, I guess we're not measuring the height.
Well, we don't know where ours was.
We'll just say it goes really, really high.
Yeah, it goes high. Very, very high.
Ryan, let's do this!
I'm glad I'm standing over there.
What? I got Kiana's.
Are you videoing this?
Yeah.
Download it up onto my account?
It's not very good because they go so fast.
So? I still want a video.
The camera doesn't zoom far enough.
Don't you love my perfect food on wings?
No, I think that one actually went the highest.
That went over the stool.
Oh my god.
You get it?
Yeah, I'm just going on one continuous footage.
Let's just hope this rocket doesn't go this way.
It's gonna hurt.